Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. The Motorola Z3 Play here on my Project 13. Super stoked to have this smartphone in-house and be able to share it with all of you. Now I'm going to give you some information. I'm going to try to make this quick on how I picked it up. I did not buy it over at the Motorola website, which you can do. I chose to go over to Best Buy and have them price match what's going on over here at the Motorola website. Now, if you purchase through the website, you're going to get a free mod. So you can go that route or do it the way I did, and that's go to Best Buy and give up that mod. Thing is, I have a speaker here that I bought when I had the Motorola Z2 Force. I don't have that smartphone anymore, but I still have the speaker. So I'm able to use that mod on my Motorola Z3 Play. Moto website, Moto Z3 Play, right now, $169.99. Unless you actually want to pay monthly. If you qualify, you can do that, but that's not what I would do. Save up to $290 and get a free mods, Moto stereo speaker, Moto gamepad, Moto folio, or 2 Moto style shells. Just add a phone and a mod to the cart. Promo code from October 9th, 2019, 12:01 a.m. through October 15th, 2019, 11:59 p.m. So it's going to end at right around midnight, right before midnight on October 15th, 2019. If you want to go through Motorola. Okay? I chose to go with Best Buy. I did bring in a case, which is called a case, and tempered glass screen protectors, super shields. Get 2 of them. Now, I do have some information here I'm going to share with you really quick on both the case and the tempered glass screen protector. Asmart is the name of the company that, well, I went through Amazon to get the case, but that's the company that provides Amazon with these cases. $7.90. I'll leave the link down below in the description area. And when you hit that link, you'll go over and read everything. You know the price point, $7.90, and you can check out all the other color choices. It's just a minimal case that's going to have, protection for my Moto Z3 Play, and especially that protruding camera. There's a lot of lip around that cutout that's going to protect the back of my Moto Z3 Play, that camera right there. And tempered glass screen protectors, Amazon's Choice Super Shields, $6.99. You get 2 of them, so if you screw up one, you have a second one. So not a lot of money to protect my investment. This is a device that was at one point 500 smacks, went down to 350, and now 170. It's only 32 gigs of internal storage, but it does have expandable memory. I'm going to throw in a 128 gig SD card. Review after review after review. The one thing that really stood out to me was optimization. This device is really well optimized. 32 gigs of internal storage, expandable memory, really well optimized. Not a lot going on as far as bloat. Very few minimal Moto apps. So basically a stock Android experience. 32 gigs with the expandable memory should work fine. Hopefully you can pick one up if you're interested in a Moto device. Some of you don't like Moto, some of you do. It all depends. So anyway, I'm going to, at this point, put the case on, and then I'm going to do the tempered glass screen protector. I'm going to wipe the back of my Moto Z3 Play. That's beautiful. You can see the camera there definitely comes out there, protrudes out. Man, that is just sexy. It's gorgeous. Okay, 1080p display, OLED display. 1 speaker, no headphone jack. Does come with a dongle. If you're watching the unboxing, you'll see everything that comes in the box. So I'm going to try to keep the device over here so I don't get in the way of the unboxing. So hopefully you enjoy a very simple unboxing. So we're going to go ahead and put the case on. Very minimal. That does expose those pins back there, which is just fine. And let's see how the lip protects that camera back there. Yes, that's a 12 and a 5 megapixel camera on the back. So yeah, really good protection back there, and there is some depth. I can feel the depth there. Very nice. That is your fingerprint reader, and you have your power button on the other side. So power button, fingerprint reader, and your volume rocker right there, up and down. Your charging port, USB Type-C, and you got a mic there and a mic there. So I can see 2 mics. All the cutouts are precise. This is a minimal case. Love that feel of the back of the case. It's like a brush metal look, even though this is a TPU case. Carbon fiber. Yeah, it feels really nice. And so what we're going to do now is put on the tempered glass screen protector. And again, I'm going to move it over here. I don't know when the unboxing is going to end. Okay. I'm going to open this up. There we go. Stop. Please watch our installation video before installing. Now, if you've never installed the tempered glass screen protector, watch the video. The alcohol pad. There's instructions right here. Right there. Push that over here. Right here. Okay? It's a pretty simple process. I used to follow the rules to a T, but I've done so many of these that now I'm probably going to have to stand up and do this. I may hit my tripod here. iPhone 11, shooting this video. The unboxing was shot with the iPhone 11, and this video is being shot with the iPhone 11. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to be talking about a lot of specs here. Okay, this device has been out for a while, and if you like Moto, 170 smacks, man, you cannot go wrong. You can use these. If it's your first time, I would use them. I used to use them. Okay, so this is going to adhere to the display. All of the tempered glass screen protector will adhere. It will just suction right in there. Okay. Got the Motorola brand name right down there. All right, so, and I wanted to leave the case on. Bring that over about right here. All right. You can see that adhering to the display. Perfect. I see right in here, mic. Wow, okay. Mic. And I'm assuming that's a mic. What is that? 4 mics? So all I have to do is push those bubbles out of there and work them out. They'll come out. So everything looking good. I might have got something right in there. Looks like I got something right in there. Now what I'm going to do is take it back off. And wipe it back down. And this is where everything becomes very sensitive. You don't want to keep pulling the tempered glass screen protector off, because then you can ruin the integrity of the tempered glass screen protector. Now I have a little dot right there, a little speck in there. I'm not going to worry about that little teeny little speck. I'm not. I want to, oop, there's that shaky cam I told you was going to happen. I'm sure the unboxing's over by now. So thanks for watching that. Thanks for staying with me on this. Yeah, there's a tiny little speck in there. Working that out. But I haven't even set up my Motorola Z3 Play. There's the boot up. I actually booted it up during the unboxing, but I still haven't set everything up. But that wasn't the point of the video. It was just to let you know I have it. I'm going to be using it. I'll be sharing some information from time to time with all of you. I'll be shooting some videos, taking some pics, be looking for an early morning vlog with the Motorola Z3 Play, 170 smacks. If you decide to go to Best Buy, they should give you no issues about price matching, or you can go through Motorola, get a free mod, and yeah, you can do that. So it's up to you how you want to do it. You know what? I'm going to put it on pause, and then I'll be back, okay? I'm going to get set up real quick. All right, I went ahead and set it up really quick. Going to go ahead and use my fingerprint reader, and yeah, I got that set up, and there we go. Is it the fastest? No. Is it the slowest? Nope. Bam, yeah, that's pretty quick. I like that. Let's go over to my Google feed here. It's got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, and that is very, very smooth. Let's go over to YouTube. Hopefully it has me signed in. Not now. We just want to hear the speaker. I'm sure the speaker is up top, doubling up with the earpiece. Yeah, from what it looks like, we got 4 mics. That is awesome. Hey, there's my buddy, the Thick and Chunky Show. Let's check out his channel. Please subscribe to his channel. If you like food, this is the guy you want to watch. The Thick and Chunky Show. So let's go ahead and
we're gonna come back and we're gonna air fry us a grilled cheese sandwich, and we're gonna
yep,
see
speaker right up there. Yeah, that sounds good, huh? Air fried grilled cheese sandwich. Bam! Sounds good.
So we're gonna slide in the store and pick up the things.
Yeah.
Head back to the house.
Good channel.
Air fryer and get the frit.
All right. So there we go. There was a little bit of specs thrown in there. Gonna be taking some pictures and sharing that with all of you, and some videos, and yeah, man. And well, there we go. There's the setup. Let's get a picture of Robin. Did I already take the picture? Man, that was quick. No. There we go. Oh, that was a quick snap. Man, I'm getting all these notifications, man. Okay, so let me go back into the camera, and let's get to that picture. Woo, baby, that is sharp. That is sharp. Wow. Yeah, that looks good. That's definitely a sharp picture. Well, I'm already digging what I'm seeing. All right, I'm done. Thanks for watching. Any questions, leave it down below. By the way, if you do want to step it up to the 64 gig variant, it's another 100 smacks right around there, give or take. The 15th is the last day, so I want to get this video up. If you're watching this after the fact, let me know if you picked up a Moto Z3 Play and where you picked it up at. Was it the Moto website? Was it Best Buy? Yeah, so I want to get this video up by tonight or tomorrow morning, and that way you have a chance to know about this. But I'm sure a lot of you have already seen this all over the web, and other YouTubers, I'm sure they've put up some sort of information on their channel, whoever that may be out there. But there's a lot of YouTubers out there that cover this type of video. So anyway, I'm just rambling. Go get yourself one. Go. I'm out.